Did you know that typhoons saved Japan from becoming part of the Mongol Empire? In 1274, Kublai Khan launched his first invasion with 900 ships and 40,000 troops. After just one day of fighting, a massive storm scattered his entire fleet. But Khan wasn't finished. In 1281, he returned with vengeance. This time, 4,400 ships carrying 140,000 soldiers, the largest naval invasion until D-Day. Then disaster struck again. Another typhoon destroyed 80% of the Mongol fleet in a single night. Over 100,000 invaders drowned in the churning seas. The Japanese called these storms kamikaze, meaning divine wind. They believed the gods themselves protected their islands. This mythology would resurface centuries later during World War II. Two storms changed the course of history forever.